Could this really be the best barbecue marinade that no one's talking about? My mate Simon told me to mix these two sauces together and I'll get the perfect barbecue marinade. Well, it's barbecue season, so let's see if he's right. In this super fast video, we're going to find out if hoisin sauce and sweet chili sauce mixed together will make the perfect summer barbecue marinade. Now in the UK it's 35 degrees outside, the perfect day to test it. So I'm going to mix these two together 50-50 and see if he's correct. Now today I'm going to use chicken thighs, but he said this marinade will work on fish, meat, steak, beef, chicken, tuna, you name it. So watch to the end of the video, let's give it a try, let's see how good it is, and if it's good, then I'm going to recommend it. And as we explained in this video, I'm going to salt brine the chicken thighs for about 4 hours to get that salt penetrated deep into the chicken. You don't have to, but you do it, you're going to get a really tasty chicken thigh. And now the chicken thighs are going in that salted water. 4 hours. Can do it overnight if you want to, and that's going to put the salt into that chicken meat and make it extremely tasty. Okay, so he said go 50-50 hoisin sauce, that's going in. 50% sweet chili sauce. Oh, but let's mix that together. Now we've drained the chicken, and now using 3/4 of the marinade, I'm going to mix it over the chicken and put the chicken in the fridge for about 3 hours. And now the chicken's going onto a tray. Now if you're in a rush, you could just put the marinade on and pop it straight in the oven, but by marinating the meat, put it in the fridge for 3 or 4 hours, all that flavour is going to sink into the flesh and the meat and the skin, and it looks super tasty so far. Now, even though I've salt brined the chicken, I'm going to add a little bit of flaky sea salt just to that skin, just to crisp it up in the oven and add a bit more flavour. Chicken can take loads of salt. Now we've cooked this nice and slow and low, 140 for about 40 minutes. Now I'm just going to baste on the rest of that marinade we had left over, and then use the cooking juices just to baste it over the top to get a nice shiny finish. Now back in the oven at 180 for another 20 minutes. We're going to start to crisp up that skin. I'm giving it a little flick over to get that underside crispy as well. You may notice there's one thigh missing, and my son stole it for his dinner because it smelled that good. Now we're getting a real shine on this chicken. We're going to plate it up ready to go. I've got to say, this is one of the easiest recipes I've ever cooked on YouTube. It smells delicious, it looks delicious. If you wanted to go even further to get really chefy for a dinner party, you can caramelise that skin off in a frying pan with a sweet chili sauce, and I reckon you get a really crispy outside. But for me, today, for the sunny day, I don't want to get stuck in the kitchen too long because it's bloody hot. I'm going to tuck in, I'm going to eat it, I'm going to tell you what I think. Let's shred it up like a Peking duck. And this is why we went slow and low on the chicken. We cooked it fast for like 180 for 20 minutes. It cooked, but it wouldn't fall off the bone. That's why we've gone slow and low. That beautiful caramelised skin on the outside. The chicken literally just pulls straight off the bone. Okay, let's give it a try. It's getting hot in this kitchen. Right. That definitely gets a recommendation from me. That's bloody delicious. Simon, well done mate. Epic recipe. Super simple. The secret to this one is cook it for about 40 minutes on 140 degrees. Turn the oven up for about 20 minutes on 180. Keep an eye on it. Caramelise that outside. You've got some delicious summer barbecue chicken. If you put it on the barbecue, remember it's got quite a high sugar content, so it's probably worth cooking it in the oven first, getting it cooked, finishing on the barbecue for that little smoky flavour, and you'll be good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in this video next.